Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Lexus ES 350. These shifters give you manual control over your car's gears, offering a more engaging driving experience. They are conveniently located right behind your steering wheel, making them easy to reach while driving. Understanding their function can truly transform your driving dynamics and enjoyment. To shift up, simply pull the paddle on the right side of your steering wheel towards you. This action will engage a higher gear, which is ideal for increasing your speed on open roads or when you want to optimize for better fuel economy. The car's system will ensure a smooth and timely transition. When you need to slow down using engine braking or require a burst of acceleration, pull the left paddle towards you. This will engage a lower gear, providing more power or helping to control your speed on descents. The system is designed to protect the engine from over-revving. For full manual control, slide your gear selector to the left to enter manual mode. While using the paddles, the car's system will prevent shifts that could harm the engine, like downshifting at excessively high RPMs. Remember, if you stop, the car will automatically downshift to first gear. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.